Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the text causing trouble. This narrows the fix to the right object. Once selected, open the Home tab and click the Paragraph Group Launcher to view spacing controls. This is where PowerPoint stores line and paragraph gaps. Make sure you inspect both line spacing and the before/after values because excess space often comes from paragraph settings, not the font. If you used pasted text, clear formatting to reveal hidden spacing overrides before adjusting values. Next, tweak character and paragraph spacing together so words compress evenly. Open the font dialog and choose the character spacing tab. Change spacing to normal or tight, nudging by 0. 5 pt steps to avoid clipping. Then, switch to the paragraph dialog and set line spacing to single or exactly with a value matching your font size. This prevents automatic expansion. Once done, preview different slides. Make sure text wraps cleanly, and no words overlap when you change slide layout or theme. To finish, normalize formatting across slides and lock in consistent spacing. If problems persist, use Clear All formatting to remove hidden styles, then run Replace to find double spaces or manual tab characters. Replace them with single spaces. Also inspect text box internal margins and auto-fit. Turn auto-fit off if it causes odd scaling, or use shrink text on overflow carefully. If words still separate oddly, check for non-breaking spaces and remove them. That usually resolves stubborn gaps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.